In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk unsubscribe contacts in Mailchimp. Let's get started. Whether you're cleaning up your email list or simply managing subscriptions, it's important to know how to efficiently unsubscribe multiple contacts at once. So without further ado, let's dive into the details. First things first, you'll want to head over to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. If you're not already familiar with Mailchimp, it's a popular email marketing service that makes managing your contacts and campaigns quite straightforward. Once you're logged in, take a moment to get comfortable with the interface. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Audience section, which can be found at the top of your dashboard. Under the Audience tab, click on All Contacts. This page will list all the contacts currently in your account. It's a great place to get an overview of who you're reaching as well as manage those contacts effectively. If you have multiple audiences, make sure to select the correct one from the drop-down menu at the top. An audience in Mailchimp is essentially a segmented list of contacts which can be useful if you want to tailor your messaging or campaigns to different groups. Selecting the right audience is crucial so you don't accidentally unsubscribe the wrong contacts. Now, it's time to identify the specific contacts you wish to unsubscribe. On the list of contacts, look for checkboxes next to each one. You'll simply need to check these boxes for the contacts you are planning to unsubscribe. Take your time here, make sure you're selecting the correct entries to avoid any mistakes. Once you've selected all the desired contacts, look for the email subscription icon, which resembles an envelope. Clicking on this icon will present you with various options. You're going to want to choose unsubscribe. Following this selection, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your action. Click on submit to finalize the process. Before you go ahead and make these changes, consider backing up your data. Exporting your contacts ensures you have a record of your list's current state, which can be a lifesaver if anything goes wrong. Remember, Mailchimp manages unsubscribes in accordance with compliance regulations such as GDPR and CAN-SPAM, so you're in good hands when it comes to remaining compliant. Finally, if you're looking to unsubscribe specific groups of contacts based on criteria like engagement, you can create segments within your list. Segments allow you to filter and manage contacts more precisely, which is particularly useful for targeted unsubscribe actions. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to bulk unsubscribe contacts in Mailchimp. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to boost your email marketing strategy.